Warmajiki, Rip Roaring Bonza Beauty Mob Legends, Uncle Jojo here. So continuing on with our bathrooms. So we've done our subfloor frame, we talked about treated pine, we talked about separating our timbers, we've looked at running our compressed sheet or constructor floor, something like that on the ground. I'm not a huge fan of using yellow tongue and then overlaying it with a cement sheet or a tile overlay. If anything shifts underneath, we can split our waterproofing and we can have some problems. Remember, water damage is one of the biggest disputes that we have in new buildings and in new bathroom and wet area renovations or refurb. So think about that when we're setting out the floor, yeah? Next in ours is, once we've laid the floor, what we're going to do is start to seal up all of our cement sheet or compressed sheet and make sure that everything is sealed with a construction adhesive. So check out that video, and all we're going to do is go over the entire floor with a construction adhesive and gap up where we can over all of our screw holes, all of our joins, all of that kind of stuff is happening now. There you go, team. Hope you enjoyed it. So what we did was we went over all of our joins with construction adhesive. We even, when we are joining, whether it be compressed sheet or constructor floor, we actually run Sikaflex or construction adhesive in between all of our tongue and grooves or wherever our joins are and everything, so that when we put everything together, it is sealed as we go. Then we let that dry. We can even scrape it off with a chisel, a sacrificial chisel, not a good one. And then we can go over all of those again and make sure that everything is completely covered up. We are starting a Patreon account, and we're asking everyone to chuck in a bit of a donation. We're also looking at starting up a membership to Wolf Institute so that everyone can come on board and get the proper information they need at the proper place, and we can give the best information that we can on all things building and construction, whether that be how to move our bodies, the different types of materials we use, or best of the best is using the proper materials in the proper places, and making sure we get the best out of our builds. Thanks for watching. Like always, stay unreal banana peels, and I'll see you in the soup.